welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Take a look at what I have here. This is potato, also known as Irish potato. I like to eat these, although they are loaded with starch, so you got to go a little easy. But that very same starch in the potato is what helps when you use it on the skin topically to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. It also helps to remove hyperpigmentation from the skin, get rid of sagging jawline, clear dark neck, good for dark under eye circles. This potato has so many benefits for the skin topically that guess what? I went ahead and I create a whole skincare line around the potato. This is the khichibeauty Supreme Age Renewal Anti-Aging Facial Cleanser. It is a set of 6. If you're interested, I'll put the link in the description box. Look right here. This is my website. Check it out. But if you live somewhere you have no access to my skincare line and you have been watching my channel all these years, guess what? Don't worry. Don't feel left out. I have you covered because today I'm going to show you how to use the potato to make a facial cleanser. It is an anti-aging facial cleanser that will help to lift, tighten, clear hyperpigmentation from the skin, good to exfoliate the skin, good for the neck, the décolleté, good for the underarms, just about anywhere on the body you can use it. So if you're interested, if you're looking for a homemade DIY using potato, pretty similar to my Supreme Age Renewal Cleanser, let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. My first ingredient is potato, and I'm in love with using potato topically on the skin. It have to lighten, brighten, tighten, and firm, clear all the hyperpigmentation on your face. Potato is also great for dark neck, under eye circles, you name it, on the skin. That's one of the reasons why we also launched our skincare line, the Supreme Skincare Set, that we use the potato juice in. Now today I am going to peel the potato. I'm making a natural DIY. And if you're interested in the Supreme set, check it out on my website, ALESMAXii.com. And I'm going to chop the potato in small pieces. You do not need a lot. Make a small batch since you have to use it up within 7 days. Once the potato is chopped, then I'm reaching for my next ingredient. Another ingredient that I personally like to use on my skin, contain anti-inflammatory properties, help to lighten, brighten the skin, help to smooth the skin, good to use topically, not only on the face, but also on your entire body. This is the aloe vera leaf, and what I'm going to be doing here is extracting the aloe vera gel. Extracting the gel from the peel is pretty simple. If you know what you're doing, just take off the outer peel. And when an aloe vera leaf is good, you can tell it's more slimy. As you can see, it do have a slimy consistency. If you are doing this and it is more runny, it means the leaf is not that great. Now that we have extracted the aloe vera gel, placing it in a small blender since we are going to be blending. Once this is done, let's reach back for our potato, and we're not adding any water to this. We are blending as is. So reach for your potato and add it to the bowl along with the aloe vera gel, and now we are gonna cover and we are gonna blend. If you do not have fresh aloe vera for this recipe, go ahead and use the store-bought aloe vera gel. You can choose to add it after you blend the potato. So my next ingredient is going to be some dried orange peel. Orange peel is rich in vitamin C, and it also helps to exfoliate the skin, leaving the skin bright with a natural glow. Get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. So I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the orange peel. To make your orange peel, just peel your orange on them or put them in a brown paper bag for a few weeks, and you get dried orange peel. Then you just go ahead and blend to a powder. So 1 teaspoon of the orange peel, pour this in. Next, I'm going to reach for some almond oil, and you can choose to use any of your favorite oil. Two other amazing oil that you can use in this is some pomegranate seed oil or some rosehip oil. If you're interested in oils, visit my website, ALESMAXii.com, where you can find the Khichibeauty oil collection. Now here in the blender we have orange peel, we also have potato, and we have aloe vera gel. These three ingredients are known to lighten, brighten the skin, and we're getting some exfoliating properties from the potato and the orange peel. That's gonna make this an amazing facial wash. So a natural facial wash. So go ahead and blend. We're gonna blend this thoroughly. This is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes to blend, depending on the power of your blender. And once that is done, we are going to pour in a small bowl. You don't want this to be too thick. You want it to be not too thin but not too thick, since this is a facial wash. As a matter of fact, it is an exfoliating facial wash. And now let me reach for my storage jar. I'm going to pour it in. Make sure to sterilize all your storage jar. And if you have this in your refrigerator for a few days and it turned dark, not to worry. Shouldn't really, since we add our orange zest to it. And this is it. This is your natural potato aloe vera facial wash. A facial wash that you can use on your face, your neck, your décolleté. You can even use it on your hands. So to use the wash, get rid of all your makeup first and take a small amount, put it in your hands, and then go ahead and wash your face with it. I like to wash my face as if I'm exfoliating my skin, and I like to do my face, my neck, and my décolleté. Wash your face in circular motion for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse off, preferably with room temperature water. This facial wash is safe to use on the skin every day, especially if you have rough skin, if you have dull looking skin, and you're looking for a fast and easy way to clear the skin up, to push start your 2024 skincare routine. So store the leftovers in the refrigerator and use it every day for fast, effective results. So there you have it, how I use potato and aloe vera to make a exfoliating DIY facial wash. Don't forget to leave your comment. What other ingredient would you add to this facial wash?